Hello dear ones, once again welcome to my channel. Here I am showing you some maths on series of further grade mathematics or any types of mathematics. Here I am going to solve today. That is, the question is find summation of r equals to 1 to n 1 by r into r plus 1. So here the general term is 1 by r into r plus 1. We have to find out the summation of this term when r goes from 1 to n. Then what will be the summation of this thing? Okay, so what is the solution process? First of all, we will break down the given expression, that is 1 by r into r plus 1 into partial fractions. That is, let this is equals to 1 by r plus 1 by r plus 1. Then I am extremely sorry, it will be a by r plus b by r plus 1, where a and b are two constants here. Multiplying both sides by r into r plus 1. In the left hand side it will remain just a 1 is equals to, here it will remain a into r plus 1 plus b into r. Again let r is equals to 0, therefore the expression will be 1 is equals to a into 0 plus 1. That means from here a is equals to 1. Again let r equals to negative 1 such that this term cancelled. So the left hand side it will be 1 is equals to, when r is negative 1, then it will be negative 1 plus 1 plus b into r is negative 1. So 1 is equals to negative b, that means b is equals to negative 1. So the expression 1 by r into r plus 1, it can be expressed as a means 1. I will substitute the values of a and of b. So 1 by r minus, this is b, that is minus 1 by r plus 1. So we can write down this expression as 1 by r minus 1 by r plus 1. Okay, next I will take a new board. We have 1 by r into r plus 1, it is equals to 1 by r minus 1 by r plus 1. So since we have to find summation from r equals to 1 to n, 1 by r into r plus 1, then what is the technique? In this, since 1 by 1 plus r, it can be expressed as the partial fraction like this. Therefore, this is the value of this expression. So we will write down that when r equals to 1, we will get the first term, that is equals to, when r equals to 1, the first term, it will be 1 by 1 minus 1 by r equals to 1, so 1 plus 1 is 2. Then when r equals to 2, it will be equals to 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 plus 1 is 3. When r equals to 3, then it will be 1 by 3, 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3 plus 1 is 4. When r equals to 4, we will get that 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4 plus 1 is 5. If we go like this way, then when r equals to n, then it will be 1 by n minus 1 by r plus 1, that means n plus 1. Now if we add these terms, what can we say? we can say that this is negative half and this is positive half. When we will add this, then these two terms will be cancelled. This negative 1 by 3, this positive 1 by 3 will cancel. 1 by 4 and 1 by 4 will be cancelled. 1 by 5, and the next term of the next term, the first component and 1 by 5 will be cancelled. Then similarly, the last when n minus 1, the term will be n minus 1, then that term and this term will be cancelled. Therefore, when from r equals to 1 to n, 1 by r into r plus 1, this is equals to, the remaining part is 1 by 1, that means 1, and this is the remaining part, that is minus 1 by n plus 1. So we have got our summation of this term. Therefore, sum of 1 by r into r plus 1, r equals to 1 to n, it will be 1 minus 1 by r plus 1. Okay, we have completed the question. Now, if the question, the remaining part, if the next part, the question is find summation of r equals to 1 to n, 1 by r into r plus 1, when n approaches to infinity. When n approaches to infinity, we have to find out the summation of this term. But we have summation of r equals to 1 to n, 1 by r into r plus 1. This can be expressed as 1 minus 1 by n plus 1. So when n approaches to infinity, then we can say that 1 by n plus 1, it approaches to 0, because 1 divided by, or any number divided by infinity, approaches to 0. Therefore, in this case, summation of r equals to 1 to n, 1 by r into r plus 1. This will be, here it is remaining on, minus 1 by infinity is 0. That is equals to 1. So the final answer is, when n equals to infinity, at that time summation of r equals to 1 to n, 1 by r into r plus 1, this is equals to 1, and hence it is the final answer. I think you have understood it. As usual, I will request you that if you feel any interest in this tutorial or any of my tutorial, please inform your other friends such that they can get help from here. Thank you very much.